はい、では背中の上の方をやります。次背中の下の方をやります。はい、力を抜いてください。
Okay, give me a breath in, back out. Good job. Come around here. Okay, let's go big breath again. Good job.
And let it all the way out. I'm going to push right through here, and you might feel here a little crack or pop. Good. Awesome. Over toward me, again, you might feel here that crack or pop along the low back. Good.
Put that left ear over just a little bit more. Good movement. One more. Nice. Okay, big breath. And out. I'm going to follow you down. Good job. Okay.
Exhale. That's it. Perfect. One more here. Okay, still got one. That's all of them. I think I still got one right here in your lower thoracic too. Yeah.
For me. Good. Right over here. Very good. One more. Very good. Breathe in for me. And all the way out. Very good. Very good. Okay, excellent. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. Go a little bit lower, about T8 region. Breathe in. And all the way out. Very good. Region. Take a deep breath for me. And all the way out. Very good. Turn facing the opposite way. Okay. Sit up right in here. Right there. Take a deep breath for me. And all the way out. Very good. Thank you very much. C7T1 region. Relax for me. Very good. Okay, same thing right over here. Good movement, very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Completely exhale. Very good, excellent. Here, take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good. Me all the way there. Good.
There we go. And that moved real nicely. So we've restored some normal function back into that spine, whereas before it was kind of locked up through here.
Вот, растянули мышцы бедра, растянули стопу и на обратном пути сразу поставили всю ступню. Не больно? Со стороны удовольствие от того, как с ним работает. Чтобы не было там резких дерганий, капания пота на его тело, каких-то непонятных перемещений. Особенно опасны.
Del paziente per il raggiungimento del massimo risultato.
And out. Okay, I'm going to be working on your neck. Breathe in. And out.